jumping way too high. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Come on, Harper, bounce.
I see you bounce.
Almost 5 months. You need to bounce.
Oh my gosh, you're almost 5 months old. See, Grandma Margaret, I'm getting so big. I'm getting so big. Huh? Yes. The mom was very red, and now Harper's dancing, getting her exercises in. I tap dance. See, I tap dance on my toes. Just like Ellie Grace. See, just like Ellie Grace. Go! Woo! Whoa, way too high. You better be careful. That's way too high.
You're going to make yourself seasick.
Oh my gosh. You got the banana or the straw. You got the tomato in the round hole. Look. You got the tomato in the round hole. The corn goes there. The corn goes there. Oh. He's just bouncing. It's just bouncing. Hey. Can you say something? Can you say Happy Mother's Day, Grandma Margaret? Chloe said, look at my mom's legs.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Grandma's Day. Can you say that one? Can you H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-C-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my A.
You're going to jump right out of that thing.
Next time won't Papa sing with Mom? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. And now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?